Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership and gathering what's already linked to the watch. Check the phone paired to the device and open its password manager. Many people save PINs there. Next, open the Watch Companion app and look for device credentials or account recovery options. If you saved a backup code or printed a PIN, find it now. Once done, make sure your phone is unlocked and connected to the watch, so you can attempt safe recovery steps without guessing repeatedly. Now focus on account-level recovery. Sign into the manufacturer's account on your phone or computer and use recovery options like email, SMS, or trusted devices. These methods often let you reset a watch PIN. If your phone uses biometrics to unlock saved passwords, authenticate to view stored watch credentials. Also sync the companion app with the watch. Many apps offer a remote reset or guided unlock that preserves data when you confirm identity. Make sure to follow prompts carefully to avoid a full factory reset. If account recovery fails, the final practical step is an authorized factory reset, which restores access but erases local watch data. Use the companion app or device menu if you can authenticate. If you cannot authenticate, contact the manufacturer's support, provide proof of purchase or ownership, and request assisted recovery options. Once you regain access, set a new PIN and store it securely in a password manager or written backup. Troubleshooting tip: if the watch won't pair after reset, remove it from your account online, then retry pairing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.